Imagine managing your entire financial life with just one app. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, by the end of this video, I'll show you how it's possible. And no, there's no affiliate link in this for me, so you know it's not about making a quick commission. You can trust this information completely. Now, here's the kicker. We're not talking about a generic budgeting tool or something that only tracks your spending. I'm talking about an app that brings your entire financial ecosystem, banking, investing, expenses, goals, even your retirement planning, into one seamless platform. Stick around, and I'll walk you through exactly how you can simplify your finances, save time, and most importantly, start seeing results. So, the first step in managing everything from one app is making sure that it integrates with all of your financial accounts. Gone are the days of manually tracking different accounts across multiple platforms. You need an app that allows you to connect your bank accounts, credit cards, investments, loans, and even your crypto wallets into a single place. One of the main reasons this is a game changer is the visibility it gives you. You can instantly see where your money is going and where it's growing. Instead of checking 5 different apps every time you want to review your finances, it's all there in one unified dashboard. That's the kind of simplicity that gives you peace of mind. Next, let's talk about automated budgeting. If you've ever struggled with setting up a budget, you're not alone. Traditional budgeting apps often feel like a chore, but with the right app, you can automate this process. You set your goals, and the app uses AI to analyze your spending habits and allocate funds towards your savings, investments, or debt reduction automatically. This takes the guesswork out of the equation and keeps you on track without having to do much more than a few taps here and there. Imagine that, a budget that works for you without needing to constantly monitor it. But here's where it gets even better. Have you ever wondered how much you should actually be saving for retirement, or how your investments are performing compared to your goals? A good financial management app doesn't just track your spending, it helps you project future outcomes based on your current financial behaviors. This could mean planning for retirement, or even seeing if you're on track for a big life purchase like buying a home. With the right tools, these projections become incredibly accurate, meaning you can adjust your approach long before you reach a crisis point. The next key feature you need in a financial app is expense tracking that actually makes sense. A lot of apps simply track where the money's going, but they don't give you the context you really need. The best apps tag your expenses in real time and categorize them. So instead of just knowing you spent $100 at the grocery store, you'll know if that's within your budget or if it's time to cut back in a certain category. And when it's time to look back and assess your spending habits, the app will give you reports showing where you're overspending and even suggest ways to optimize your habits moving forward. Here's something important that I need to mention. Many apps offer similar services, but they come with affiliate links or sponsorships that might sway their recommendations. This is where I'm different. You're getting unbiased advice, no hidden commissions influencing the tips I give. I'm not getting paid for you to download any of the apps I'm mentioning here. So when I tell you that this app could help you take control of your finances, you can trust that it's based on what works, not what's most profitable for me. And for the final tip, an app that helps you grow wealth. It's one thing to track your finances, but it's another to actively use the app to build a portfolio or make smarter investment decisions. The best financial management tools offer features like automated investing, tax optimization, and alerts for market changes, giving you the tools to make real-time financial moves that benefit your long-term growth. Now, if you found this video helpful and you want more honest, actionable content like this, without the hidden affiliate links, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Your support means a lot and helps me continue to create valuable videos that don't have any agendas behind them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.